no omo ebeboa ato oman Ghana mo nyina nyame pa next week na regional tour no ebe hyase na se omo hante talent outdoor etimi aboa ma no nyina etimi akoye eso edi amom na FA boss kasa no eno o Ghana Football Association edi omo support eno mu bibia ebe taye chiri.
The Football Association will stand shoulder to shoulder with you. You are a proud son of our industry. We will give this product and this project all the support that you do deserve, especially with our ever-pleasant card of young referees. Beyond this, we will give you, like I said, all the technical needs that this particular project will need. Country Ghana will have to be supportive of this amazing idea and projects.
And we are Ghana Football Association president and summer or the two acquire Ghana Football Association befa so mbeboa ama all regional games no etimi aye krabehwe na ebetina ho aboa ama man Ghana nkwada no mo ba no no masubekoi ediamom no chirechi no mu wie no baby jet asamo jan ye boni di anye goals nko a eno onim hye enye ball no kwa no nimbo na some of the characteristics no eye jamahye na yentwa eno a one Ghana supporters a group no e share ni enhwe omo e kakra. Adena fami sunsum na wurame kaish masasa mo jana Sompa adeno ne nano dia na retire de one voice ne de onse we musician ba bia na ma capella na kakra atimi aye shege e wo ho eno e de te adimam na yenwram na enura dwuma ose let me say me local news.
Aluja so rap paper.
Oh yes, I want to you breaking it down and touching it down. Oh. Latest be creba.
Okay.
It did that say shutanga. Na yamfa ensam nto so anra ewramu eye Lapam Royal Beach a hotel a brand a press launch ne koso na coach Jay Sapon ekopiem ne sikochito say the Dreams FC omotimi akwalfa ekopiem the last four the semi-final stage no $750,000 omanya je say so mutimi je Confederation Cup $2 million omo say beje na je Zamalek no yensro wo mo na ebetima ye den no mabo coach Jay Sapon
to the finals. Of course, maybe I'm considering Zamalek, they must get their loans very well. And easy match. For North Africans, they know how to play this game very well. But I'm sure, sir, with how they started with their games, anyone wants to make their finals. Zamalek of old, as I say, so they'll be able to contain them.
Tete Zamalek, Dreams FC betima contain advantage. And it's Sunday 21st April. Team event Dreams FC beko away. It was Zamalek and now 1 week later, almost have a ball on the 28th. No Kumase and no Eddie Dawya de Mamo. Now Ghana Football Association in for Disciplinary Committee at the sanction at the Abo Santi Kotoko. Game Omni Nations FC boy, Disciplinary Committee in for say 10,000 Ghana cedis and can 100 million. And omo about Santi Kotoko. Almost say club on social media comment to know our match officials no and no egu ye game na nima say and watching Kotoko saje tum so mudi for ni nyina fa omo supporters ni behavior omo den ade omo invade pitch no and ntino discipline committee etra se no omo say 10,000 Ghana cedis omo emra emetua and watching team efe no brekum Chelsea omu coach Samuel Bodu ono so no game abrekum Chelsea ene be chem United boy no omu say misconduct bi o so ni nyina say verbally or abuse match officials no enu ntino ono so no omu find 3,000 Ghana cedis ena this netina say omu say Insuatreman FC omu so no omu find 2,000 ni nyina no say misconduct omu esho ni Legon City game omu boy in City's game no a game bi omu say club ni social media commentary on match officials no na ensem fata a good game na nimu ase enu ntino 2,000 Ghana cedis omu mra no mu metua na ene midweek ebeto dwa match day 25 sen officials no esu esi ATM urama na ese ene adesa medema ene phobia ene de epem so na me pacho mami phobia omu game no comfort some promo omu ne medema no na phobia so omu jama kakra no kra no na ya na me de yentie kakra mebacho ye toaso na ye de ahwe edi amamo na urawura mu a ye ade se medema omu coach ye frɛ no coach ne bossa couple akasa edi afa game no some ne ha se bebo no om de mo se bomofo mu nim aboyarefo ye ntie medema coach ni nsama odi tuga
very big team like you told, rich history, and we respect them. This is also great for us after two matches defeat. We have a great opportunity to turn situation on our side, perfect opponent, and always this is a perfect motivation for every player to play against teams like Hearts of Oak. Nobody in Ghana is bigger than in this moment than Medema. I'm talking about current moment, and I think we will show this tomorrow.
Coach Nebosa couple Mediama coach was say ono de onimse nan say Accra Lions de momo omo kosama boy omo elusu ye na mom game no na de nkunim de na beba goals no shana ye den de amomo owie na boy no ko jam the Black Satellite and the 20 mom di gold medal no ye friend Kevin Nkrumah eso kasafa phobia omo game no ho
omunya didi we mu na nyanka chile last season se me ya ne o ba bia ye da ya ntino omunya didi we mu se bitimi ya na yan boy tina so ye be sha so fuku a se am e se yentimi nkodi so abi ensa me so ye ti bia na ye be sha so fuku akompa ka se am
eno ede tia ye dem am yentie Hearts of Folk ene omo promo game no yentie omo ne me dem a eno phobia efo eno no na yenwuram ne nhwe Ghana ye futsal national team no echina uram a the AFCON no so so Rabat Morocco na echina Ghana ye ne Zambia ena ebo ye first game group A na ukoko pima chance top 3 teams no ena be qualify to represent Africa a World Cup be to dwa in September Uzbekistan na no ka say adese Ghana ye mrante no etimi ye training no na assistant coach Edma Ghana ye futsal national team no ye Victor Aite akasa edi afa supporter efene diamomo ene targeter de so mani su eram na ensama odwa ye boaboa no ne anopai full time dwumadie so afisem no ye mfansi na fancy any team ni nyina amfa de aka entoa so emamo
wo Luther ye da se ye ba behwem ye betoa so ne mom 21st clinic bra na beje wayaresa wonya doa no ye ne beboa ma watimi atu ase ka me free 3 nwi ebesi woye onamore so ba bia ho edodo ene ya de bia suma ni padwama asie bia no ba esanse ye machine treatment awo ho ntino Yaroba fan fidiem na yayi yaje na pie na yare so ama wano adro kamane mum eba no sciatica ne dia ye expert in sciatica nti momode so beba sciatica no oba ya so kwa emabiem chese unya no babia severe waist pains ni nyina no ye betu ase ama 21st clinic your branches our Sunyane Nkranza Tachiman Accra so your Dome Market Obuasi your Court Junction Council Quarters and a Croman so a share overseas junction yɛbɛn Alpha Radio 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 Express Group obeso tu kwan ekwaye adwuma nurse ni midwife afei school for no so amobesa moto amosuku so ewo baby e say US Canada and as a UK Express Group edo beko monso amobesa mu wuram na afei munya mo IELTS ene mo SAT ene mo GRE pass score ene chesa requirement ene yen ene e betro kwampa wo so fa so ema wonsa e kan sane mo nyina sede bia wo die so no bebam enso ama visa ye giama ticketing ye bebu ama set me aka nyina Kumasi a Express Group aye adwuma e wo labor and about and cry Kaneshi First Light omo eben and I say Kaneshi First Light wa ana uram enso our takra den so market circle wa ana wonsan so ebeka wonom ana afemeka sunyane Silver House building e momo ben court no 0249 00 0448 0555 550067 now on the Express Group and pen for no and so and Casa Healing Point in the Yashas here Sunday be at 6:30 and you may equity 7:30 Tower 1 media platforms in now so ye in life also now for Mondays yama repeat 4:00 tia should be ne say symptoms ne ba ni pedwenma no say bia ya de we and e be on ya tro kwa be fa so a wo betimi aso ehia pa Healing Point ni kwa so me apostle mamra ho e wona na won kasai
SMP. First of all, yeah, I apologize to your team for there was a slight technical problem. It was a video when you made it. Yeah, so yeah, apologize.
Yeah, name video crash.
Yeah. Misha Sefi Asamajan, the regional tournament, regional games. Very laudable, especially coming from him. Okay, Matianim Kujo is to Asamajan and under 17 coast tournament. Accra Academy Park on YH Accra over $250,000. Adiba Kwame Power Samaja, how I'll give it back to society. Say what Jai Bobo say be on the body bra.
Sompa Sports.
That is say you get involved to unearth talent. Or unearth talent now your mind never benefiting.
Yes.
What he's doing is to make sure say talent say be share a crabia say share baby crabia huno. You'll be able to give them the opportunity, a platform for those talents to be exposed. Now you tap into so every president or see is part of our pillars to now. Ebe mama kunya say Kolabia she to and through this process. Look, the best players Eshen crashing be brave.
Yes.
So Ibrahim Sunday ni Malik Jabe no mufriko kese biem. Number 7 no mufrita Mali. Chastila no fisefu. There are a lot of top talents. It's been crash opportunity platform. Such opportunities are available to them so be crowding anybody home. So say opportunity ba Quenya say as on my be serious and the federation be serious. Or no or critique the environment and opportunity. And they say tap into it. They're making sure say baby Okubia we have scouts and coaches that will go there say exercise na course no football talent be free mabano you be pick omo good omo very great players or more future that we can work on improve them so a lot about something that we need to support him. I hope say if you support no the support will be meaningful support so logistical support be in any form of support I be here because I do you know mind be nyam fa so if so nyam fa so idea a lot about and let's give him thumbs up. He's doing great with a lot of things that why after we born you know. Some commit me trying the fee the $3 million fee you know. Some order no this is
Basilica
no this is
I heard there's 1
hour to the place who crowd one shop say before we are see. But he decided say he want to be involved in making sure say at least Kakra no so be abua contributing the quota to development of our sport and football. No, he will do it. And we need to encourage, we need to support us someone. It's a great initiative. And I hope so. And yeah, at the Obesha say there'll be frustration until I say Ghana there's a party papa. Yeah, the party papa. So they'll maybe I'm not frustratable along the line. All forms of frustration, but on keeping the eye on the ball. Now the main legacy of personal jam on mine, true or no. ni experience ni sebio ni network no person the one or no the making sure onwi na achi kola na da achi sebio mba be bo man na san bo mobusianfo because on ebe free maba no onwi kola no mo onwi mpanyifo obstacles be or deliberate obstacles to totally destroy your effort. Here we are very wicked people. A lot of people are very wicked. The empathy papa, but on go beyond Sanimano now on drink colana through platform ye dachi on benya be pagina on drink san colana on trasuneza. Now minka league matches to kakra. The battle our takwano a very difficult one for both teams. Mediama after unfortunate exit from the CAF Champions League. Own performance in the league have not been the best. Over recent 2 games on boy, Sompa Accra Lions, the losses. And this is a team of us all go back to the CAF champion. They've tasted it, or we experience. First time who have a sex, not to say.
Ose.
First time maybe some question answer because I say someone tell you. First time I have a sex as an experience, how was it like?
Oh, say first time the way I'm matching.
Who na maybe so and yes, I remember my general who specific. What was your experience?
What's your first time be how I'm matching?
Me who na maybe so.
Okay, me can't as in general.
Okay. No, me can't specifically. That we experience is different from our yes.
Insanity.
Sanity and how did you feel?
Oh, say idea be that.
And now unya ko besa to aso ebio.
Kind of.
So sana medium example next year. Oma tasted CAF Champions League for the first time. Are you almost there? Oh, there's an opportunity. They had opportunity to go to the president. They had because they were going to represent the nation. Look, they have opportunity to travel to Egypt. Look, plus. So as a result of that, on person Mekobio. Oh, there's here. This Yomoko is because they want to live in the champion. They want to represent as the champion. So opportunities be players be na younger about other clubs about players. So be benya kunya $1 papa. That is how big the CAF Champions League is. But this is all we need league now, and they want to go back again. Until money abre, amanya small slight blip, 2 matches yankuyi, they want to bounce back. Who has a folk Watara bounce Watara magic? Watara magic, no, or call Swatre, Echo Show Swatre, I mean, ye Swatre man, yeah, Watara, ye Juma. Until Watara, first loss, Samatex. Watara, second loss, away home, Accra Sports Stadium. Now, Watara a real deal and a flash in the pan. What do you say? Because what he has about this Watara by like your savior, the Messiah, Abba. What do you say? Because so Jones, the new reincarnated Jones. So he's lost to. Now he's going to a dreaded place. Sebiu, home no, medium here points no more than medium petatilachi. And they want to make sure they win this point at all cost because how many dreams boy come board drokra. All players anymore how many energy. What do you say? So they've drawn valuable points. Especially a home again dream. That was a point they should have lost. So this is a must-win game for them. And it's going to be interesting. Watara some person by 1, 2, 3. About the narrative yeah,
because
so it's going to be very, very
Sompa Sports.
But I believe that Mediama have what it takes. In fact, player for player or quality, Mediama need to come back to the Champions League quality performance. They need to work on the psyche and orientation. They need to come back. So they say, they focus on the Champions League. The only way you can do that is to win this game and get back to the title race. Senebea, very competitive and pick other valuable points. So okay. I think Mediama to win this game against Accra.
Mate, Apostle Meda, ba a bishop on a Medemeza every war. Yeah, security wow, we bema, we about 40 years. I'll bet me and me assassin, ame, anadro na benwe assassino. Tis why I read now per Jumana and Quadia number no. 0558 1188 40 years and above land Oberwin and Ajo Bishop.
Mira.
In Siwe.
That's it. And then birthday no so order back kwasa beka Efia Brago or Sobolo. I say na Efia Brago no so birthday. Efia happy birthday. Yankopon sha na da bia nye. stadium nature on Sobolo hono efia brago come on the number mama office me office nipa na me koye ne papa no okay biscuits kai die efia brago efia happy birthday nyankopon show na dey bia nye fancy. You can't change the established order. No be a boomfu. But if you are saying you are making to one, what say no answer about son? Say one oh hinasi. We see there be mpesa man no be sure baby amani one. Na mani ba baby amano debi. When nyansam your district games and I say your local games, your circuit games, near about district, and near GES. And say, I'm more boss circuit near me, tribute, me fear any more, I'm a stress. And crying near Germany. Intino, we school 6 years, class 1. We be this 6 now, or class 6 now, now 12. We go basic school area now, we're 15, 16. Now I call tertiary second cycle 3 years, 18, 19. Or tertiary school. Fancy nyana. Now under 12, she said a basic school, lower primary. Under 15, JHS.
Yes.
Under 17 and under 18.
It's always HS.
You bought local. Near about cluster of schools, near about circuit, near about district games, near about regionals. And yes, I need to Kuruma. Or he need to come in Kuruma. Yes, I know Moshe. Good. I buy an idea, no, yeah, you buy all regional games. People should be.
Is it Rudy Campbell boss? No matter what,
oh, fancy. And yes, I knew. Besi ne credit that's where. Where is the investment into it? PE teachers are no more form class, a matina classroom match, Mumpia Bontini and Koyi Bibi. Ye we have a quakusi saying, Uti ya. Now PE teacher no sebi or a teacher near or green nipa. Moye under 12 new year na oko JHS no I'll let it sabuto musa cry with promise. Intima senior high schools na in corner. Until born under 15 obey under 15 games new year. Or school. I try BC Navy. Na Amaskas or as Pempe or Moko. Okes. Omoni Dietri. Fancy. In this anchor when they original games. No. Intino, your bo local no. Here we are. Your bo district Asante Achim Central. In Aisha Agogo. Agogo hen ye games no. And you're calling secondary commercial park so Agogo State College Park so if we say Akrebi or some of your Agogo State College Park so now you're under 15 now Agogo State Betram and Agogo baby from but on say ye in life near no o dream on tells you your sports federation office or GES first now your GES school fees no the sports component. Now we believe in sports and the development of the human capital. Sompa sports. Fancy so what I say. Into this now what you know when you are brewing as a major nefra bontin so by all regional games no. Wow, tnas no be sound. That is saying.
Yes, all her cities you are buying basement in a one.
No, yes, I buy a nasudie.
Why should they ask someone and take his initiative because I say egu?
I didn't know no yes I did because yeah ball under 17. Nani coach J. Sapon. And you know, no more boy academy.
Yes.
And you the far academicals. And you the fan. Until no free. And credit donor are living in regions, they don't even understand the region, maybe free, no me womb, any the knowledge of history behind it. Until ubisa akora bi say ne region Western North region no mo flag is say onimo region bia of flag ya punish wasa future
Sompa Sports
say omone Sky match no Future Stars have been given a 1 match home ban and fined 10,000 and a warning for misconduct following their Access Bank Division 1 League game against Sky. The club was found guilty of inappropriate behavior on the part of their supporters and failing to ensure the safety of the match officials of the said game. Fancy. Before we end them clear. Club no. And me am more away team no buying. Future Star supporters, Ebu match officials. It's admitted all over. It's been admitted. The following officials of Future Stars have been banned from all football-related activities for 6 matches by the Disciplinary Committee following Future Stars' Access Bank Division 1 game against Sky. Kwabena J team official, Malam Yaya head coach, Charles Amwa team manager, Stephen Yabodu team doctor, Joshua Entry massage therapist, Adam Haruna welfare officer. They were found guilty of assaulting the match officials of the said game. The disciplinary committee also imposed a fine of 1,000 each on the said officials. Fancy. Referees back home. Supporters are bomb. Match officials, yeah, you are bomb. Just make it make sense to me. Statement in the supporters no abu match officials
and our management members win so
asa abu na ni ombeka say
Technical team.
Jeff ombeka say uni hu pa edina mu hu ye no Imubi were not on the bench that day. Therefore should take a second look at this.
I feel some thorough investigation into the said matter now. At least video evidences, so you realize who was there, who was not there. Then no take a decision from there on. But I don't know. Referees also do a more report call.
I don't, you see. That's why this European Linda first of all, before you met out punishment on such matter, you must make sure say you have your own camera people there. You need a proper evidence of that. And yet, obi na dream say ni see any, and now obi kura wa dream pufo bi enti na otro bibi. Enti ye the camera, ye the video no ba. Incidents no, sebi incident in sense we ewiem eso park no so. So you have your cameraman there. The camera will capture every incident, so you can even review it and then understand ni see before we call it for official report. Natural report require by any video no. Sebi a bob brana. Then you can be able to do that. But when that is not done, and the issue of Marcus has been alleged, sir, some officials were not even present, but their names are pop up there. Say, turning out, say, it's a huge indictment.
Most of the Division 1 games, you know, and they were live on Facebook, and there are cameras there on Mudicha. But me say, how lazy are you? In terms of bringing out solutions, now the punishment for now, and then may result into some of these things and mistakes that we do. Because thoroughly in the last year, Obekane say the case qua omuche. And me Obekane say muche on your mahodo do also moke come on. The fact is someone can come on does not also mean that you should do a shabby work. So you need to go through, sit down, at the Kodiana problems in Akaza. But this morning, that's what it is say. And Kofuko no moba kodoko game no nations no so no moba tatan track ye de court. Ye de omoko court emu makomako enum 5 ye de omoko court. Ye de omoko kwen. How did they get there?
Listen, I always disagree with that, and I wonder the kind of presentation we made because Sebio Mwasedi and say some born nipa by mamu man nipa remember. And this fan say, "Nyamipego obi ba no be kun nipa." Why the man no akwenya say on Ra Stadium a security bridge? Why is the security there? What is the essence of the police personnel that were there? You enye so allow obi na fatana no o man nipa na rembi ma. The possibility of you not controlling the action in your betting me high, and then you be see. So you don't allow it. So me person me say
Ediom kokoni police person more duty that oman timia making sure say
was in charge of protocol that day.
I want to see what is going to happen to those personnel.
Those things no more fancy. And your judicial system no. I will not say worse and I say men case be bad and I say men no BBS, but sometimes I feel say a bit more escaping it easily. Like a bit more can also more fast to me and more yin sembiano. Because more fine in the realm. One more more coin. Please for Ben and I never want more mudina no say yeah mamma. Oh, and these things is not any baba and quan is you. Asama ye can in your course, you never buy and quan is you. So, baby Ekoso. And the intimacy and I said that come for fun born Mubeja money. Fancy me, Mamma League Nimka fancy. Now fancy between an any watch now your match week 24, I got 10 games in the league in Abanaway. Finally, league in Ankasano in terms of table, I got 10 games. 30 points. 30 points. 30 points. 30 points. 30 points. Na league in Abanaway. Now, as it stands, no. Fancy say, oh, calculate approximately in the league, no call. Obi winning game, new never so winning at West. 8 games crumple now, which is around 24 points now. Also beat me the 69 points in the real league, you know. It's been very long since we even had 65 points team to win the league. Obeka say it shows how competitive the Ghana Premier League is, but fancy no lack of quality. Form. So, Anna Hanon na asem one 10 matches na come. And then me person, I want to asem no one 10 matches na ka league no. Or for 10 matches no. I want to asem no evidence. Fancy. Na me hwa ase ho no mabofa kwata no 26. Heart of Lions 22, Royal Tamale United 22. Between Royal Tamale United and Olympics no no etoso 12 no, 31 and 22 no. Fancy. 10 points. 10 points to 9 points.
The league so it means be 42 43 points
our 40 ni be say 42 43. So me have be out to you da. Me have be Olympics da. How do you survive? Fancy. Now it's a table so I'm
also making possible because 30 points there. And it's between
9 points difference. Then on top of the table, between the first place team and Kumasi Asante Kotoko has to folk 10th. 45 points. Has also 10th, 32. That is 13 solid points out of the 30 points. Now, fancy. And also some how I bet you out. The nation self needs some text in the day. And rehearse how stretch no subit because 30 points there no more be brave will be asubet Messi.
The nations need Samatex. It will come down to who does well away matches. We saw more recently. I mean, apart from nations, Samatex. The two teams.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah, very excellent.
Per the away table no. So and the best away team. Per the away table no.
No, I'm even looking at the two of them.
So if the two of them
are contending for the title,
say two of them, Samatex is the third best away side in the league this season. Nations FC is the fourth best.
So it's still close between the two of them.
It's still close between the two of them.
And that also does not mean that the last 10 away matches, the dynamics can be different.
Yes.
So it's about why never take advantage of the away matches.
Yes. Now,
because home no the FN say we are winning the but I can't away points.
Fancy. My main wish Vidal say happy birthday. Vidal say Irene madam for. Irene ye me madam for. Now Irene so madam for ne Vidal say. And Irene say me wish Vidal say happy birthday on behalf of no Irene.
Irene only Vidal. Oh, okay.
Mate Vidal say.
Whoa, shout out again to us where Namenya birthday wishes and real quick now. Young Queen, what the kind of want to say happy birthday to a Hinawa, a Josso from a Dusi Poku say, Yan wish or Hinawa, happy birthday to Babia Obiano, and a Hinawa would die a Dusi Poku and I say, Yan wish I would up na Yamin Shana on your Wakoma Swati and so and Famounty, Mr. I know Hinawa in the Shadrach Wadaroma, Mr. Mejo or Henewa. Auntie, happy birthday to Henewa from a Dusi Pokuo, and so Eba on chain and there, and so Anopaintiano, and so Enonoke. When so say happy birthday to Nana Juan Ponsa from Calvin. Our Kevin said Nana Juan Ponsa, and Ewa would I show. I would have Pana Yankancho Sinyame and Yokesna on your Wakuma dear. And so, and from our fee, happy birthday to Mrs. Hannah Mensa, we see you. Our honey men's makeup artistry from the entire Sompa team, especially Ya Grace newsroom. I want to war and then some Pankomo team say ya Mrs. Hannah Mensa, happy birthday. Na yan kancho say nyame enye wakoma so de nyame nhraw. Na ne man so nkokama enso mfama ai. Afei happy birthday to Ruth Mensa. Ruth Mensa so ene Ruth from Corporal Albert Osei Ajiman police officer Upper West Nadoli na police officer was Ruth Mensa ene happy birthday and so kwama no yes yemre na afre yemra me fa course no togbe bank kazigbligo sokalu eda so ya juma YouTube no Takas TV ya bon channel na mon subscribe na manioma enso enya fine emam teachings spiritual one olden days in community na dia rough and nyina no bo behia no Joseph Jase kwan so Bonfa Hospital Junction as 0244484747 Yemfa course na yen sorry so 0551931931 0548931931. Hello caller.
Fancy Di Maria.
Yes sir.
We dey over Fancy Wadi here Robert. Because the fee could you brother me chai but at the tune and I would just say for me.
Robert.
I can't be Fancy Yami out of my brother class of book. And the Kono and the step with you or Tadia Watala that Daurama. You lose out to some unity. I'm not asked to put support so there's an engineer for advantage. If you have to ask to book, but you have to use it.
Okay, whoa, Mate, me da say next. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, just so penny yet here.
You see, quite a four players, you know. So there's almost someone share my bonus is what we need. If you first see any 2 Musicano. So more of me. Woman, young country, Jerome. Woman chat. Set a woman action. Sika near the 2 women. Woman enter on woman sports. On with your Pibia. Young Pibia says, fine, yes. The beer, fine. Fine. Are they? Woman crow, woman, the woman, what the woman pay. Wobianka Bibian woman. Woman wants to table soon as I need your muka. Woman pano, no musica, the woman pano. A month for near 2 Musicano. Say, dear woman, of you.
Okay.
Woman, I'm more born. Okay.
Hello, caller.
Hello, Edith Maya.
Yes, or Penny.
Good afternoon.
Major so it's you.
Listen to it last Mexico.
Okay.
I said to restaurant figure.
Mate.
Let me tell you, for young come and see him. I won't know any city for about 3 by. The GD said they are ever qualified. Champions League, you know. I don't want it.
Okay. Yes, so yeah, that's say Oba so nti no. Yenye na fe yen sorry so na news embra. I was say yen fa do twa to na yen sorry so. Hello caller.
Fine,
yes,
Maria.
Fire we.
I only have money. I just want some play.
Okay.
And after power to say watch my way of money ever Japan so na nyame adoma. The China commanders and to support it. And I had to fan ya that meeting with you na. Yes, support the international also the back. The best nyame adoma against such a man there. Then she wants to give it at the end, you know. The more than the
okay, well, a pronounce on Yadamun Amase, yes, sorry, so news. Eba na omuwia ohenini ede sompan komo atwa so ede amount. Tayo Fidi Max nyame yar machina yebesen hia biem.